Hello, good morning, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2012 government pass question. Question number 34 says a major objective of the Public Complaint Commission is dash. A major objective of the Public Complaint Commission is that is what is the 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 major or main objective of of Public Complaints Commission. So option A is a training and promotion of public servants. B, settlement of dispute among individuals. C, addressing the grievance of individuals and groups. D, fighting corruption and indiscipline. So the main objective of Public Complaint Commission is fighting corruption and indiscipline in public offices. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.